Hey guys, Blood Groove here. Just want to do a short review of my Benchmade Infidel. I just purchased one for my brother and I want to let him take a better look at it before his arrives. This is the 2019 limited edition Benchmade Infidel out the front Switchblade. In bronze, as you can see. I've really been enjoying this knife. It's really pretty. The handle is bronze with a kind of a satin finish. You can see the shine out of that. Blade is double-edged dagger. Nice long fuller's groove. This is the limited edition model 1151 of 3000. S30V steel. Has a deep carry pocket clip. It would be nice if the screws were flush, but that's fine. I haven't had an issue with it. Although I do not like that it has Infidel written on there. That kind of stands out from your pocket. And I also noticed in thinner pants or slacks, it felt at first like the handle was a little not tight enough. I was worried that it would come out, but I haven't had any issues with it. The handle is a 6061 T6 aluminum. I believe they use that on bicycles as well. And I believe the published weight is 5 ounces. Let's do some quick measurements here. Overall length is 8 3/4. Blade length is 3.5. That's the cutting length as well. Cutting length is 3.5. Handle length itself is just under 5 inches. Handle height. Let's get it at its widest point. Just about an inch there. And handle width. It's about 1/2 inch with the clip at 3/4 and with the switch there, I guess you could say, it's just under 3/4. Don't really have any other knives to compare it to that are the common knives that most of y'all would know, but what I do have is a candy bar, and you can see the handle is the exact size as that candy bar, so it's a perfect fit for your hand. Also have a Papermate pin, and a McDonald's straw. Gives you some better idea of how big this thing is. It is a full-size knife, but it doesn't really carry like that. You know, it's, like I said, 5 ounces, but it feels a little heavier than what I'm used to, but nothing extravagant, or extreme, I should say. Overall, it's a really nice knife. Again, this is the 2019 limited edition model. The one my brother's expecting is a 2020 unlimited limited. That's where they just make it for a 1 year only, and it's going to be in blue. One thing I noticed is right here, for some reason it's grooved within the where it matches up here. I have no idea why that would be. It's not like that anywhere else on the handles, where the handles meet, except for the other side. It's kind of interesting. It isn't the quickest opening and closing, but it's fine. There's a bit of effort required. It's faster than I'll ever need it to be. There is very slight blade play. Not much at all. I heard I read a comment that if you get too much blade play, you could actually take it apart, and there's a screw in there you can tighten down, and that will eliminate that. So that's not really an issue. I don't expect it to be completely free of blade play. Anything I'll use this for, it doesn't matter. So anyway, that's the 2019 Benchmade Infidel. It's really nice. I definitely recommend it to anybody. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.